Hi, we're here today to show you how to program pricing on a DN5000. That's a Dixie Narco vending machine. This one is from Coca-Cola. Thank you, Coca-Cola. So first thing we're going to do is go inside to our mode switch. Mode switch is located in this metal box. Right here between these two sets of wires, I just reach in with my thumb and push that one time. Come to the front, it now says air. We hit 2 to go forward through our options until we get to password. Now we're going to enter our password protected mode by entering the code, which is 4231, and then enter. 4231, enter. Cache mode, we are looking for price mode. Sales, price, here we are. So we've gone to our forward button to go through those. That's a quick review. 1 is escape or back us out of a program. 2 is forward. 3 is to go backwards. So if you're doing numbers or selections, you can go up or down through the pricing or the selections with these two buttons. 4 is our enter. So price, I'm going to hit 4 for enter to go into price. You can also set, besides all the selections at one price, if I hit 2, we go to A, enter. I can choose all selections in A. So that would be the whole A shelf. So if I say enter, 45 cents, I can make that 50, I can make that $1, $2. This was a subsidized machine, so I had everything set at 45 cents on that shelf. Say if I want that to be $1 for a can, I just hold down the 2 button till it scrolls forward to $1. I hit 4, all selections, perfect. I've now set all selections on the A shelf to $1. Price A1, let's just check that, $1, very good. Let's get out of that. Hit A2, $1, very good. So we've set all those there. I'm going to go backwards out of the A shelf. It says A here. Now I can hit 2, I can go to the B shelf. I can hit 4 and program all selections. If I hit 4 again, I'll be programming all selections on the B shelf. Or I can hit 2 and go to price B1 and set B1, B2, etc. at individual prices. Set an individual price. I hit 4 for enter. Let's say we want this item to be $1.50. I just hold down the 2 until I get to $1.50. Now I'm at $1.50. I want that price. I hit enter. Price B1 is now $1.50. I hit 2 again. Once I'm at price B1, now I'm at price B2. I hit enter. Price B2. It's set $1.50. I'll hit enter to do that. Now I can go to price B3. That one's at 45 cents. I can take that up to $1.50 or whatever I want. Enter, that's B3 is now at $1.50. So I can go through each one of these selections, set its price that way. So we've shown how we can do an entire shelf, the whole machine, or individual selections at a price. Remember, 1 takes us back out, we're at B5. Hit 1 again, I'm at the B shelf. Now I can hit 2 to go forward to C. I can hit 3. That'll take me back to B. 2, forward to C, to D, to E. Those are our 5 shelves. For instance, here I can say all selections on E. Hit all selections, 50 cents. Let's say I want an item at $1.25 there. I'm just going to hold this 2 down. Oops, too far, I went to $1.30. I hit 3 one time, it takes me back to $1.25. 4 for enter, all selections on my E shelf have now been programmed at that $1.25. Very simple, now I can hit 1 to back to E, 1 again, I'm back to price. I've programmed all the prices on this machine. If I want to check that, I can just shut the door, it's probably the easiest way. I press A1, that's that $1 we programmed. I can go to B1. There's the $1.50 we programmed. I can go down to that E shelf, hit E1. There's a $1.25 we programmed. Easy to check. Easy to price.